In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can pause comments on your YouTube video. You can simply disable new comments on your video while still preserving and displaying comments that were already published. This gives more flexibility on how to manage your video comments and also reply to each and everyone. To do this, simply head into your YouTube studio. Select any video you would like to pause comments. Then tap on these three dots. Select Edit. Tap on this last option right here. Then select Comments. You will have to select the option of Pause. Your video comments will get paused. You will be able to read through all published comments before new comments pop up. That's how easy it is to pause comments on YouTube videos. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.